In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to level up fast in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about an easy way for you to level up in Jujutsu Chronicles. Keep in mind that this video is intended towards beginners, and maybe if you are high level, this won't be of too much use for you. But a nice way for you to level up if you are still starting and you need to reach, for example, level 20 in all of your stats so you can do your first grade up. As you can see here, to rank up, you need to meet the stats requirements, and the first one is going to be 20 across all stats. So an easy way to go about doing this is to reset your character and go over to Jujutsu High. As you can see here, there is a place with lots of dummies. There are dummies in other locations as well, but I believe this one is easy to go to because, as you can see, you spawn right next to it. The best thing that you can do is find a standard dummy, not one of the blocking ones, and then just start punching it. The reason why we want to use a normal dummy is because they won't be blocking, so we can just spam M1s. In these blocking dummies, we will be able to hit them eventually, but sometimes the attacks won't go through. Keep in mind that these dummies can disappear, as you saw here, or fall through the void, so often you will need to reset. This is in order to prevent people from AFKing, but if you are able to push one of them into the wall, this is going to get you the best results possible, because you can just stand still and usually they won't fall through for a long time. So you want to punch them towards the wall, and as you can see, my strength level is going up. For the first few levels, this is going to go by relatively quickly, but of course, like I said, the higher up you go, the low effective this is going to be. So you need to find better methods later on, but for starters, this is wonderful because you can just have a video on the side, keep watching something, and then just go ahead and keep clicking here. You don't have to do any specific combos, just spamming M1 is going to be enough, but some people like to do 3 M1s into an M2. You just have to make sure that you are getting strength levels here, and you are able to finish. If you are able to finish with an M2, you can opt to do that instead. As you can see, this is how it looks. It is a flashier move and it is cooler. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. Just find one of the dummies available in Jujutsu High and you will be able to level up strength. Of course, if you want to level up one of the other things, you will have to just train. So to level up endurance, you can press T. Your character is going to train here on the ground. Regardless of where you are, it is going to use a little bit of your skill points here, and you can keep training. So for this one, just keep spamming T. For your stamina, you can go over to the stadium and keep running over there. And for strength and cursed energy, just make sure that you use your energy by pressing E and keep attacking the dummies or other players. I hope I was able to help you on how to level up fast in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.